I'm student at farm school. Now we are picnic to Betwater village and we saw many things like sheep and shepherd and mountain and trees and money like that with Kurdish bear, bread and animals. Where this?
What? Do you know any English songs?
Yes,
I know. Like what, for example?
Like what in English song? Do you remember?
Eating sugar? In your mouth? Very nice. What is the name of this place?
Well, if you look at it, I think it's enough.
We're told that there is a kind of waterfall.
Yes, so if you go like this, the road, there's a bit
These are the months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year.
Today we are have a trip to Betwater village with our students from farm school. We have a lot of fun to do and the kids bring a lot of delicious foods. They shared with their friends and they have fun and they saw a lot of beautiful views of the Betwater village and we will walk like 2 hours and later we saw some waterfall and it was great time with our kids and we danced together, we sang together and we ate together, so it was a lot of fun to do. Thank you.
Now we come to St. John's Waterfall. We come to see where the water comes and where the water goes. Bye guys!